Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is not your average Royal Enfield. This is the Shotgun 650, a blend of retro design, raw attitude, and modern engineering. If you thought Royal Enfield was only about nostalgia, think again. Design and styling. The Shotgun 650 grabs attention with its low-slung stance, chopped fenders, and aggressive silhouette. Built on the same platform as the Super Meteor 650, but this one? It's leaner, meaner, and screams customization. Engine and performance. At its heart is the proven 648 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, air/oil cooled, buttery smooth, and delivering 47 horsepower with 52 Newton meters of torque. It's not about top speed, it's about that low-end grunt and satisfying roll-on power. Features. Royal Enfield keeps it simple yet functional: an analog digital console, tripper navigation, and dual-channel ABS. The riding position? Upright, relaxed, and perfect for city cruising or weekend runs. Ride experience. The Shotgun 650 feels planted, confident, and surprisingly nimble for its stance. The suspension is tuned for urban comfort but doesn't shy away from spirited cornering. Customization. One of the biggest draws? It's designed for customization. Royal Enfield is offering factory accessories, but the aftermarket world is already buzzing with ideas. Verdict. If you're into bold design, torquey twins, and a platform that invites personal style, the Shotgun 650 checks all the boxes. It's not just a motorcycle, it's a statement. That's the Royal Enfield Shotgun 650. What do you think? A modern classic or a custom-ready rebel? Drop your thoughts below, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more real-world motorcycle content. Ride safe.